CodeArts Deploy. CodeArts Deploy allows you to visually deploy applications using scripts or containers in Java, Node.js, Python, and other languages with a few clicks. It supports parallel deployment and pipeline integration and automates the deployment process in standard environments. In this example, we will create a deploy application in the front-end application of our demo project, developed with Angular to CC using CodeArts Deploy. Click to Deploy menu item on the left under CI/CD. Click Create Application on the Set Basic Information page that is displayed. Modify the basic information such as name, execution host, and description as required. After editing the basic application information, click Next. On the Deployment Template selection page, there are templates designed for deploying various programming languages. Select Kubernetes Manifest Deployment for CCE. The Deployment Actions page is displayed. The left pane is the action orchestration area, and the right pane is the list of actions. Click Add button above or below and edit action. All actions that can be added are displayed in the right pane. You can add an action before or after the current action. In our example, the steps we need are already defined in a template, so we won't need add any new steps. Configure steps of deployment. Give a name to your action. This parameter is mandatory. Artifact, repo, or OBS can be selected. Here, repo has been selected. Select CodeArts Demo Angular as repo from drop-down list. Select Branch Master. Select the manifest files to be deployed. These files must be suffixed with YAML, YML, or JSON. For our example, the manifest file is saved in our repository under the name Deployment YAML. When the file source is set to repo, you can edit the manifest file online. Click the pen icon next to manifest file to go to the online editing page. For tenant, there are two options. Current, the software packages is deployed in the CC cluster of the current tenant for release, and other, the software packages deployed and published in the CC cluster of another tenant in IAM authorization mode. Select Current. Select Region, and select Cluster Name, and select Namespace. Overtime is maximum execution duration of an action in minutes. If the task duration exceeds the specific time before you stop the application, the action will be timed out. Value range 1 to 30. And configure parameters. In our deployment YAML file, the image to be used is provided parametrically at runtime. To achieve this, we define the version parameter in the parameters section. Click Create Parameter, select Type and give the default value, and enable runtime settings. Parameters can be changed during deployment app execution and will be reported to the pipeline. You can also use the version parameter in the YAML file, such as that. Click, save, and deploy.